Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Starknet Voyager wallet and manage assets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Starknet Voyager wallet, start by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the official Starknet website to find the Voyager wallet download link. Look for the option to download the wallet for your specific operating system. Click the download link to begin downloading the wallet installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Starknet Voyager wallet from your Applications menu. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If creating a new wallet, click on the corresponding option. You will need to set a strong password for your wallet. Make sure to remember or securely store this password. You will also receive a recovery phrase during the setup process. Write down this recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. After completing these steps, your wallet will be set up and ready to use. To manage assets within the wallet, log in using your password. Explore the wallet interface to familiarize yourself with its features. To receive assets, navigate to the Receive section. You will see your wallet address displayed there. Share this address with others to receive funds. To send assets, go to the Send section of the wallet. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details before confirming the send action. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the network. You can check your transaction history in the History section. This will show all past transactions associated with your wallet. For added security, regularly update your wallet application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.